Hello everyone, welcome to Himchuri, Kakra Beach. This is Montazur Rahman. Me and my friend Shojib want to explore sea beach at Himchuri, Kakra. And now I am satisfied and I enjoy this nature.
And how was your feelings?
It's totally great, amazing. This moment was is amazing, very amazing. This place is nice and quiet place. There is no people and there is no gathering, no crowd.
Yeah.
Only me and my friend and only son. Yeah.
It's a too much peaceful place.
Yes, definitely. It's a too much quiet and peaceful place. What about this feelings?
I am so proud because of a largest sea beach.
Yes. This is the world's largest sea beach. And we enjoy our camping.
And waves are gradually on the sea beach.
Yes, sea waves are pretty much good and the sound is very peaceful sound for this wave.
Yes.
Thank you
Absolutely.
everyone.